Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to get paid games for free from Steam legally. Let's get started. Open up Steam first. Then log in your account, if not log in. Go to Store Featured. Click on Search tab, then click on Advanced Search. Click Discounts and Events, and drag this to 0. Now you can see there is one game is 100% free, which you can add it to your account. Check every day or every week you find more here. In my library, there are many games which I already collected, like this. If this video find you help, make sure to support this channel, subscribe, and like and comment. Thanks for watching.